So I was watching that little video and I decided to put some photographs in so we can see what we're looking at. And these are supposed to be the birds. And these are supposed to be birds. And you're going to say, oh, well, it was the 1800s. But if that's the case, why doesn't the whole picture look wonky then? The building, the floor, her, more wonky. It's because she's added to the footage. I mean, that is her arm. Look at that. I'm doing a lazy one. I'm in bed making this video. Look at that for her arm. Just look at her hand. Yes. And then he comes into play and he's all blurry, see? He's lost his arm, but she isn't. Well, her arms are a bit funny, whatever, but yes, and then all the birds flying. So these funny blurry bits are the birds flying. There's one right in front of the screen. How come that bird is so big if it's just in front of her? You have to really think about what you're looking at. Look at the size of the pigeon. I don't know what that is there. That one there. There's a pigeon. Look at that. What is that? And she has a funny... Look at that. It's blanked her whole hand out. And look at that. I don't know what that is on the floor. I think that might be the last one. Look. Oh no, we've got another one. So these are birds leaving the scene. Great big birds, hey? And her arm doesn't look right. And there's a big pigeon or whatever that is. It looks like a kangaroo or whatever. I just think that's really weird, her hand. Look at her hand. Look at the size of these pigeons. Enormous. There he is down there. Oh, you can't make her out at all, whatever's going on there. Yes, more birdies. Size of the things. Ah, that is the end of the pictures. So what do you make of all that then? No way is this right. Oh, there's Trinity 4. Hi, Trinity 4. We should have gone and had a look and seen what he was doing. Anyway, thanks for watching.